Check out the partial heat baffle from NU2U products. This model was created specifically for the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. I thought I would take a few photos of my Gozney heating up before I baked a mega 1-pound pizza dough in it. This heat baffle will save you money, that's the bottom line. It helps the pizza oven heat up so much faster and helps retain much more heat, so you will be using less propane. The baffle was designed so that much more heat is trapped inside the pizza oven, but still has ample space at the top and through the vents to maintain a constant supply of incoming fresh air to ensure the pizza oven runs correctly. I never use my pizza oven without this product. You can check NU2U products out on their website and Amazon. I'll leave some links in the description box and comment section. Curious about that mega 1-pound pizza? There's a link for that video recipe and another video of me real-time baking the pizza in my Arc XL. For 100 more pizza videos, check out my main channel over at Bake Like a Pro on YouTube. Thanks for watching.